Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful daisy earrings. For this project you'll need 4 different colors of beads of your choice and then 2 earring parts as well. To make a start, get your 5 gold beads and make a little loop like I'm about to do. This is the loop that will go at the top of our earring where we will put our earring part in. After I've put my needle through these 5 beads, you could see that I'm just tying a few knots to form this into a circle shape. And here I am tying another knot just to make sure everything's extra secure and won't come loose. At this point, you're going to pass your needle through 2 of these beads. We're going to add a white flower to start, so here I'm getting 1 white bead. Put your white bead through this bead like so and pull that tight, and then bring your needle back through the white bead. At this point also, I'm just going to cut off the excess wire that I have where I started so it doesn't get in my way. Okay, so now we're going to continue adding to our white flower. So on your needle, get 2 white beads and 1 gold bead. The gold bead here is the center of my flower, so with these beads I'm just going to push them down my thread to get them in place, and it will look like this. Now, without any beads on your needle, put your needle through this white bead so it forms a nice little arch. We're now going to add the rest of the flower in, so get yourself 4 white beads. And you can see here that I'm putting my needle through the bottom bead of my flower here. And when you pull that tight, you should see it forms a nice little flower shape. At this point, you're going to flip your work around so we can add our second flower. On your needle, get 2 blue beads, 1 gold bead and 1 blue bead like this. And just push that down your thread so it falls in place nicely, like so. And without any beads on your thread, go through this first blue bead like this. And I'm just going to pull on that just to make sure it's nice and secure in place. On your needle, get 4 more blue beads like this. And I'm going to put this through the bottom blue bead of my flower. And again, pull on that nicely and it'll form a little flower shape. At this point, we will flip our work. Now I'm going to add my yellow flower in, so I'm going to get 2 yellow beads, 1 gold bead and 1 yellow bead and push that down my thread like so. And then I'll get my needle without any beads in it, I'll put it through the first yellow bead here. And then like we did with the first 2 flowers, get 4 of yellow beads on your needle and thread it through the bottom yellow bead. You could see it's really starting to come together, so we've put 3 flowers and you can put as many flowers as you want in your earrings. I'm going to keep mine relatively short. We're going to add a white flower again, so on your needle get 2 white beads, 1 gold bead and 1 white bead. And push that down your thread like I've done here, and then without any beads on your needle, put your needle through the first white bead of the flower. And then get your 4 white beads for the rest of the flower and put that needle through the bottom of the flower like I've just done there. Once you start getting the hang of it, it is a relatively simple pattern. Always make sure to flip your work between each flower like I keep doing. Along with these earrings, I've also created a tutorial for a matching bracelet, so do check that out on my channel. Again, you don't have to make a bracelet, you can make it longer to make it into a necklace, but please do make sure to check that video out. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more flowers to my desired length. So I'm going to stop talking so you can watch how I'm adding these, and then I'll come back at the end of the video just to show you how we complete this earring. Right, I'm adding my last blue flower on. I'm quite happy with the length of these earrings. So here's my last flower complete. And when you add your last flower, make sure that you weave in and out of your work to secure everything in place. The last thing you want is the thread coming loose and the beads falling off. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just tying a knot and then I'll go weave in through random beads. Once you're happy that the beads are secured in place, go ahead and cut the excess thread off. For the final part, grab your earring part. I've chosen a gold part here to match my gold beads. I'm going to open up this little loop. And if you remember, we added those 5 beads at the start to make a little circle. We're going to add this earring through there, like so. And then we'll use the pliers to close it up again. Our earring is now complete. You could see it's looking very nice. I'm loving the blue, yellow and white colors that I've got going here, but obviously you can use any colors you want for your project. What I did off camera is created another earring, so this forms a pair, and then don't forget to check out my matching bracelet video to have a complete beautiful daisy set. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment and leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more fun bead tutorials.